What is up, everybody? So this is my garage. This is where I spend most of my time and a lot of my money, and pretty much every single weekend. So if you guys know myself or my wife, we detail our cars every single weekend, and we've been using this Greenworks pressure washer. Now it works. It lasts maybe about 2 years. I've had a couple of them over the years. The biggest inconvenience that we have with this is you have to lug it out of the shed. I have to pull my hose out, hook it up, plug this thing in, and that's okay, but it takes about 10 or 15 minutes, and after a while it becomes a burden. So today, we've been looking forward to this for a while. It's an Active 2.0 wall-mounted pressure washer with a CoxReel. So the whole thing will be wall-mounted. All you gotta do is flip a switch, turn the water on, and get rolling. So it should be really cool. She doesn't really know the price of it. She asked if it's within the $500 ballpark. I said sure. But seriously, we'll be going over the price today, if I think it's worth it and how hard it is to install. So let's knock it out. So if any of you are familiar with Obsessed Garage, you know exactly what this kit is. They offer kits that include every hose, part piece that you need for an entire wall-mounted solution. Now, transparently, I did get this from the Clean Garage. They offer kind of like a couple tiers lower of parts and pieces that can get it to a little bit more of a budget-friendly solution. So nevertheless, I got the Active 2.0 pressure washer with the Cox hose reel. Those were the two things I really wanted. They're a stout option for like an entry-level pressure washer. And then that's gonna have a 100-foot hose on it. Now this is the Cobra Jet hose. Again, this isn't one of the more premium options, but I really did want something to fit the gray and black theme of the garage. We have a jumper hose that goes from the pressure washer to the hose reel, as well as a garden hose attachment. Now this is the Clean Garage's stainless steel shelf that the pressure washer will sit on. And then this is Obsessed Garage's Cox hose reel mount. So that will mount this hose reel because there's so much weight sitting on it and you'll be pulling on it that I just definitely wanted to hit two studs. And then this is the MTM foam cannon and then a Mosmatic spray gun. Now this is probably one of the more things that I've been excited about. If you've ever come from one of these cheaper options, these are just night and day, and the best part about it is it has a swivel option. Now these over here, every time that you go to move your hose, move your wand, the hose moves, and you're wrestling with it the entire time. So this will be a really good upgrade, and it has the spray handle extension. Then here's all the hardware that you need, and quick disconnects and hose tips. So I will be hooking it up to a hose bib for right now. So you're gonna see me run this 25-foot hose all the way over and up there on the wall by the Mustang. It's solely because I don't know if I want it on this wall or over there by the Corvette. So we're not gonna rough and power water just yet. We're gonna live with it for about a couple months. So now these are a pretty cool clip that I'm gonna be using on this hose, just as a temporary option. It goes around this right here, and then it allows there to be a space held off of the wall, and then I can tack it into the stud on the bottom. Now this is exactly why I bought this unit. You can literally flip a switch, pull it out as far as you need, and you're literally ready to go. Now everything that comes with the kit is super high quality. I've used it a couple times today and I absolutely love it, especially this gun. Again, this just made a world of difference from what I've been used to. So pressure is actually pretty good. It's kind of just enough for what you need for detailing. It's not going to be like a concrete cleaning solution, but for cleaning cars it's perfect. And then I really like how it's tucked in around the corner of my garage. It kind of quiets it down a little bit, especially versus my old unit that was sitting in the driveway screaming. So all in all, I absolutely love it. Now, is it worth the $1,200 price tag? I guess that's something you can ask yourself, because to me it is. I use it every day. It's my hobby and I love it. But a lot of people can go to Lowe's, spend $100 and get pretty much a unit that functions the same. So use your best judgment. I'll link everything down in the description below for this exact kit. And then maybe I'll link a couple other products where you can cheapen up this kit if you guys are interested in that. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. Hope you guys have a nice day.